Is a common wire required when replacing a thermostat that accepts batteries? Or can you reliably skip running a C-wire and still maintain stable smart thermostat operation? If your thermostat accepts batteries, the common terminal is not strictly required for basic operation, but expert installers treat the C-wire as the more stable power source for advanced features and long-term reliability. First, check the thermostat's idle draw in milliamps versus your system's transformer capacity. Many smart stats draw 60 to 100 milliamps in standby and can drain batteries quickly if they also engage Wi-Fi and frequent screen updates. Second, test the existing furnace or air handler transformer voltage with a multimeter across the C and R terminals before assuming compatibility. Readings under 20 volts under load indicate a weak transformer that will struggle to recharge rechargeable batteries or support power stealing thermostats. Third, if you have a power stealing thermostat type, measure the charge cycles by logging runtime hours and battery voltage over a week. Intermittent brownouts or Wi-Fi drops mean you need a C-wire. Fourth, when adding a C-wire, always power down the system. Confirm terminal labeling at both the thermostat and control board, and avoid tying into unrelated circuits. MSE. Connect the thermostat C to the air handler or furnace C terminal only. Fifth, for systems lacking spare conductors, use a 5-wire cable adapter or install a dedicated common using an unused conductor repurposed after verifying the cable at both ends. Never repurpose a safety circuit. Sixth, consider a plug-in common transformer kit only when local electrical code and manufacturer guidance allow it, and when the HVAC control board cannot supply sufficient current. Seventh, on heat pump or multi-stage systems, wiring mistakes can trigger lockouts. Follow the thermostat manufacturer wiring diagrams exactly and calibrate stage sequencing in the thermostat settings. Eighth, document every wire change, take photos, and label both ends DAT. This saves troubleshooting time and prevents furnace service calls due to miswired commons. One of the biggest problems is thermostat battery drain, causing frequent replacements, RS. Fix that by confirming standby current draw and switching to a hardwired common if the draw is above 50 milliamps or if Wi-Fi is active continuously. Another common issue is miswired common terminal errors that cause system shorting or control board tripping -7. Prevent this by powering down, tracing the wire to the furnace, and ensuring the conductor is on the correct C terminal. The third frequent mistake is installing a separate plug-in transformer without isolating grounds or following code, which can backfeed and damage the control board. Correct approach is to use the system's transformer or a manufacturer-approved power kit and verify with a technician. BigHomeProjects.com lists verified local HVAC pros and clear wiring guides, so homeowners can find technicians who know when a common wire is necessary and how to install it safely. The directory also helps contractors get work by showcasing qualifications and customer reviews, making it easier to connect homeowners with trusted installers for thermostat wiring and replacement.